Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel RM Learning. Islamic month's name: Muharram, Safar, Rabiul Awwal, Rabiul Sani, Jamadil Awwal, Jamadil Sani, Rajab, Shaban, Ramadan, Shawwal, Zulqada, Zulhijjah. Thanks for watching. Please do like and subscribe RM Learning.